So hello friends, welcome to my channel Indian Tech. In this video I am gonna talk about Viper for Android FX, which is an Android plugin which enhances music. After installing it, your music will sound great. Try it. I have an experience. I have an awesome experience. So try it. So many are facing issues like after installing Viper for Android FX, it is not working. I have also faced this issue, so that's why I have made this video. In this video I'll show you the proper method of installing the Viper for Android FX, and after that I will also fix the issue which will arise to you if you will install normally. So let's get started. Follow my video. So first of all you will need this file. Download it from my description. So download it and then go to settings, and you need to turn off Dolby Audio if you have enabled it. In case you have enabled it, you need to go to Dolby Audio surround sound and turn it off. In my case I did have enabled, so I have just turned it off. Now we are ready to install. Open Magisk Manager and then go to modules section. After going to modules section, click install from storage, the way you install an offline plugin. So select that file and let me select it, and let me select it. So here is my file which I have downloaded. So just click on it, it will begin installing. So now let's wait till it gets installed. So as you can see that it has been successfully installed. It will ask you for reboot, but don't reboot now. Just go back and open Viper for Android FX which has been installed. It will say that no drivers found. Just you have to then click OK. It will reboot for you. Now after reboot you need to download one more file which will be in my description. That is this file is named as Dolby Digital Plus. So you need this file. After downloading this file, you need to install this file also in the similar way we have installed the previous one. First let me check. You can see that this is not working. I have enabled master limiter. No, I have tested, this is not working now. You can try yourself also. After this is not working, to fix this we need to open Magisk Manager, install that file you have, that module I have provided you. So let me install the module. Let me go to install from storage and install the Dolby Audio. It is here. I will install it. So let's wait till it gets installed. So it has been successfully installed. Now you need to reboot your device. So after reboot you need to open Viper for Android FX and then check if it is working or not. I'm sure that it will not work now also. So you can see it is not working for me now also. So what to do now? Next you need to again go to Magisk Manager. Go to Magisk Manager and then uninstall the we need to uninstall the module. We have just installed the Dolby Audio Plus module. Just remove it. Press remove and it will be removed. After removing it, it will ask for reboot. So now reboot and after reboot, again open Viper for Android FX and let me check now also. It is asking for driver found. No driver found. Click OK. It will again reboot. In fact, this is the last time we are rebooting, so don't worry. After reboot, open Viper for Android. Now you don't need to reboot. Now you just go to settings, and then after going to settings, enable the legacy mode option. Okay, enable the legacy mode option. Now you are done. Just enable master limit. Now you are done. You can check it's working. You can apply various changes. Various modes are here present here, so you can check it, all the modes, all the options here, so you can go through it and check it after installing. So if you like, I will also make a video on the best settings of this module, so comment it if you need it. Otherwise, that's all for today. And if you are facing any issues, don't hesitate to comment down. I'll definitely reply with it. And subscribe my channel